Hey everybody, hope everyone is doing well. I'm going to be showing you how to activate a Venmo card. So basically I just ordered this on my Venmo app maybe a week ago. So it took about a week and they just sent this to me in the mail. So I'm going to be opening it up. Okay, so here it says this is going to be funds, cute little play on word, how to activate your new Venmo Mastercard. Activate it, open the Venmo app and go to Venmo card in your menu to activate and set your PIN. Boom, your card is now linked to your Venmo balance. So go on my phone, go to my Venmo app. This says open the Venmo app and go to Venmo card in your menu. Venmo card, so right under search people. Melanie, your new Venmo card is in the works. Activate. What's the expiration date on your Venmo card? Let's see. Next, create a personal identification number for your card. We are all set. So all I had to do once I got this in the mail was go to the app. The Venmo app, go to Venmo card. I created a 4-digit PIN, which I use for mostly everything, just so that it's something easy that I'll remember. Here it says debit card ending in 6316. You could reload it automatically. Are you sure you want to turn off reloads? If you turn off reloads, future purchases will be declined. When your Venmo balance isn't enough, we add money in $10 increments to cover any purchase amount that exceeds your Venmo balance. Reload limit, $1,000 weekly rolling, and it shows you it is linked to my Bethpage Federal Credit Union account. Legal, just tells you the terms of service. That was like the easiest thing I've ever activated. Definitely the easiest card I've ever activated in my life, because all I had to do was go to the Venmo card and put in a 4-digit PIN that I chose myself. So really simple. And just to show you again where it is, right under Venmo card. Just click it and it says your new Venmo card is in the works. It's all activated and ready to go. What's the expiration? I don't know why it's asking me for this again. I guess it could glitch. Activate. Give it a second to go through. You're almost ready to go. Your card is activated. There's just one more quick step before you can use it everywhere. MasterCard is accepted by the US. Add funds. So your card uses the money in your Venmo balance for purchases. Add some now to set your card budget and get yourself some pizza. So you could just add money to it. And then you could add money from your bank account. I'm not going to do that right at this moment. Let's say you wanted to add $50. You would just put in the amount and hit click next, and it would get added to your card. So that's also nice. You could choose the amount of money that you would like to add to it. So really simple to use. Literally took 4 seconds. So all I did was go to the Venmo card and I put in, I clicked activate and I put in a month and expiration, and I made my 4-digit PIN. So really just super simple to use, really simple to activate. So can't wait to start using my card, Venmo debit card. If you guys don't have the Venmo app, it's literally the easiest app to use in the world. It's wonderful to send, if you need to send money to people on the go. Like, you know, I personally really don't carry much cash around anymore, and most people I know around in my M29 in my age group don't either, so this just makes it easier. Okay, if someone went to lunch, we want to split the bill 3 ways. One person puts the bill and a tip on their card, and then I could just like send the person that put the bill on their card, we could, you know, send them the money we owe them. And then the Venmo debit card is great because you could just reload it simply through an app. So I'm really excited to use it, and activating it was the easiest part. So I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching, everybody. Hope you all try out the Venmo debit card. It's free to sign up, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.